Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Wrapping style number 1. Here I wanted to show one of the gifts that my daughter is going to receive, and she loves burritos. So this is like a burrito shaped and looking throw. So it's in circular shape just like a burrito wrap. I just folded into 4 times and then I folded one more time, and I'm just taking the top circular part and I'm just making a cut there so her neck goes through that. Basically I'm making a poncho, and you can wear it on top of your dress. It keeps you warm in the winter days. So to cover the raw edges of the neck part, so I'm going to take a dab of a hot glue and give like a hemming around the neck, and it looks, after all the neck part is hot glued, this is how it's going to look now. And I'm going to take small notches like that, and I'm going to cut them, and this is how the ribbon will go through. And this is one of the fall ribbon, and I matched the design on the the throw, and I just got this brown one which has got like golden borders, so it's actually going well with the throw. So I'm just inserting through the alternate holes, and I made it through. Now I decided to give like a nice pom-pom as the decor of those ties. So I'm just taking this very soft a yarn that I got from Dollar Tree long time back, and I just knotted it on a piece of a cardboard, and then I'm just going to cut a piece of a yarn, and I'm going to make a knot just like so. Now the knot is made. I'm going to make a loose knot on top of it so I can insert this ribbon through that, and I'm going to cut on either side to get the pom-pom look. You're going to see that in a minute. And sewing is another favorite thing that I like to do, and if you are interested in how I make things like this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make more videos of this kind of stuff. And I just cut it on the either side, and I got this pom-pom, and I'm going to trim the excess yarn so it looks like fuller and rounder, just like so. Now I'm going to insert this ribbon through that pom-pom, and I'm going to bend it so I can cover the raw edge of the ribbon and hot glue it so it just stays there. Of course I have to wear my tools so I wore my silicone finger protector, and then I'm just giving the finishing touches to the pom-pom, and this is how it looks after it is completely done. So you have to let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I'm just loving this. Now I'm going to fold this in a circular pattern so I can prepare a wrapping around this. So I made like a tight round, and I have this gorgeous maroon satin ribbon. It looks so festive to me. I'm just loving this ribbon as well. So I inserted one side of it in one of the corner of the wrap, and then I'm just circling it around and then making it a knot, loose knot, so it's easy to unravel it when she wants to wear it. And this is one of the beautiful wrapping paper that I recently got from Dollar Tree. It's got like a red background with golden snowflakes. It's so festive and beautiful. I'm just loving this wrapping paper. I have to do more projects with this. So I just took like a small tape, and I'm doing the regular wrapping, and I'm covering on both sides of the pack just like that using a piece of a tape. This is how it looks after it is completely wrapped up. I also have this beautiful velvet trim that I got from Michael's from a long back. I'm just making a regular knot by circulating around the wrapping. So my wrapping is done, so I just have to put some decorations on top, and I have this shiny pick, and I'm going to stick it using the hot glue just like so. This video will be part of a Wrap It Up Open Challenge, and this is hosted by Crafting with Guilia and Corie over Crafted by Corie. And I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the amazing participants. On to wrapping style number 2, and this is like a very famous envelope wrapping style, and this is like I've seen in many videos and also TikToks. It's kind of very famous now. I thought I should also give it a try, and I'm taking this candy cane print wrapping paper from Dollar Tree, and I just took like about the size that my gift box would cover up. I just covered the first half of the box, and then I took, like you're seeing the process, I just, I'm rubbing the corners on either side, and then taking the first flap and then covering it up, and then taking the another side, and then I'm doing the same thing for the second time as well. And now I'm going to take a piece of tape, and I'm going to secure it tight at this point, just like that. Now to cover the other side of the box, I'm going to cut extra piece, and then I'm going to bend one side and I'm going to bend the other side, and this will be like a regular wrapping that we usually do. And bringing all the corners together, I'm going to attach it with the tape on top of it, just like that. Now the wrapping is done. Now it needs a little bit of decoration, and those envelope flaps, I'm going to insert one of the white shiny poinsettia, and done. So wrapping style number 3. For this one, I just got one of this gift box, and I'm covering this gift box with this festive tissue paper which has like a Merry Christmas in golden letters and with shine everywhere. I just love that, so I thought I would cover it up as a wrapping paper. Yeah, please remember that this is actually tissue paper. It's not a wrapping paper. It's very flimsy and thin, so you have to be very careful with when you're sticking the tape. And I'm just attaching it all over the box, just like that. And I'm going to cover back and front, just like that. Now I'm covering the other corner of the box. I'm just taking one side, and I'm taking the other side, I'm making a triangle and then bending the triangle, and I'm attaching it with the tape again on the other side. So this is how it's going to look after it is being wrapped up. And I have this beautiful Santa's belt, and it just got like a jingle bell on either side of the pom-pom. So all I'm going to do is wrap it around the box, and I'm going to twist both snowballs like that, and this call's done. So what do you think? On to wrapping style number 4, and this is my favorite wrapping style, and this is one of the beautiful festive velvet stocking which has got like shiny silver snowflakes all over it. And I just took exact measurement of my gift box, and then I inserted into the stocking, and I'm just covering it up like a regular wrapping. And I'm taking a dab of a hot glue, and I'm attaching both the flaps, and finally covering up the other 2 flaps. I'm just bending the raw edges, and then inserting into it, and then attaching with a dab of a hot glue. And I'm going to repeat the same for the other side of the box as well, just like that. Now the wrapping part is done. Now I have to decorate this gift box. Now I got 2 of my shiny silver ribbons, and I thought of using the flat one, but that is actually covering up all the decor of the box. So I ended up using the thin shiny silver ribbon, and I'm just covering it up on one side, and I'm bending, making like a bend there, and going around on the other side. And then taking a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to stick all the four corners just like that. Now I'm going to prepare a bow out of this, and for some reason the footage got lost of how I made the bow, and you might have seen this kind of bow in my previous videos, and I'm just sticking this, and this calls done. So what do you think about this? On to wrapping style number 5. This you might have seen in my other video. I just wanted to add and show how simple you can make one of the beautiful gift bags and cover it up as like a gift box. And this is already having like a nice print, and I'm just inserting one of the picture frame, and I'm going to cover it up on all the four corners just like a regular gift box wrapping. And that's all you need to do, and it has all the beautiful decor on top of it. So I didn't do much about it, only I just made like a regular gift wrapping, and this calls done. So you're going to see how it looks. This is so gorgeous. It has got like nice tag as well. It's got like decoration and the ribbon, everything is already there. So yeah, I just wanted to share here, and there's a full video of how I did give like a gift giving ideas in this video. I'll also leave the link of the video on the description box for you. And the next one is a quick hack, and these are a few of the gift bags that you can find in Dollar Tree, and I got this beautiful black and white checkered one. This is one of the gift ideas that people who don't like bright colors, who wants to go with like black, white and beiges. So I just have the gift bag, and I got a couple of pieces of this black and white mesh ribbon, and I knotted it all together to create like a messy bow like that. And I'm also inserting one of the Christmas greenery, and I'm actually attaching it with the hot glue. And I also have like white shiny poinsettias, and I'm going to attach that as well. And this is another way of decorating your gift bag. So what do you think? So these are my presents. Let me start from here. I love this wrapping paper. It's got like beautiful snowflakes, and they are so like festive. And that's one of the Poncho shawl of my daughter. I just packed it in that package. I attached one of this velvety ribbon with some shiny pick. And this one is like envelope cover. And I just add some of this white shiny Christmas picks. This is another gift box, and that is actually another tissue paper which has Merry Christmas on it. And I tied this Santa's belt. It's so gorgeous. I'm just loving this. Look at the decor. And this one is from my previous project. I just wrapped it from one of the gift bag which had this kind of a gift box design. Just wanted to share here as well. And this is one of the velvet stocking which had like nice snowflakes, shiny ones. I'm just loving this whole print for some more projects. And I just gift wrapped it with cute bow with a silver ribbon. I'm just loving this. This is my favorite of all. And this is one of the beautiful gift bag which has got like black and white plaid, and I attached one of this mesh ribbon as a bow, and one poinsettia and some Christmas greenery. Yeah, these are the few of my gift wrapping ideas that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.